Welcome back, guys. So in the last lecture we have completed the add product API integration. Now in this lecture we are going to display the added products in the table. Okay, so first go to the products list. So create the columns. Okay, const columns is equal to, so in the columns the data index property must match with the MongoDB model properties. So data index is equal to name. Okay, description, price, category, then you have age, then status, and at the last action. Forget about the action, just keep the remaining things. Now get the const dispatch is equal to use dispatch, and I'm going to write a function. Const get data. Is equal to, this function should be async always. Okay, so I'm going to write try catch. First dispatch set loader true. After getting the response, dispatch set loader false. Even in the catch block also dispatch set loader false. This should be get products and this has to be imported. So later we are going to fetch the products only on the seller ID. Right now we are fetching all. We did not added any MongoDB filters just to complete the product CRUD operation. So later we are going to make the changes here. Okay, set loader is, so you might be wondering how we cannot show all the products for a single user. I know that, so later we will do. Okay, message products, and let's create the state for const products set products, no error. Okay, done. Now create a use effect, call the get data. Now let's create the entity table. Okay, after this div table from the entity, and give columns is equal to columns and data source is equal to products. That's all. The only condition you have with the entity table is the data index must match with the appropriate MongoDB columns, which is nothing but the properties. Let's see the output. Use effect is not defined. Let's import the use effect. Done. Awesome. Here you can see we got the table. So we cannot even understand this is the table until unless you have these columns. So let's go to the index.css. So I can write using the Tailwind CSS, but if I do that I have to write in all the tables. So here I'll just use only one table. Okay, so I'll just use border this 6A 6A 1px solid. This is too high. Let's make this somewhat lighter. Yeah, and also this is the div, right? For this button thing, just use MB2, margin bottom 2 pixels. Yes, so you have some space. So you got the table, you got the columns, you got the data. So if you want to have some border radius for the tables, you can give it here, border radius 2px, as like other components. Yes, this looks good, guys. Now let's do the actions. Okay, just give the buttons. In the next lecture we'll perform the actions. So to give any render things, you just need to have the property called as the render. Okay, so in the record you are going to get the complete document. So I am just written dot flex with gap 5. So I need two icons, edit and delete, from the remix icons. Remix icon, click on this. So get the delete and edit. First I'm going to get the delete, copy the class name, put it here, and get the delete, sorry, edit, copy, and put it here. So first should be delete actually, second should be edit. So replace this class with the class name. Okay, so later, as I said, in this lecture only the UI, the next lecture will perform the edit operation. That's yes. So you got the edit and delete. Okay, even for these eye icons also, go to the index.css and font size 20 pixels. Yes, this looks good. That's all guys, this is about the products get operation. So in the next lecture we'll work on the edit. Thank you. Welcome back guys. In this lecture we are going to work on the edit operation for the product form. So we already created the delete and edit icons. So once we click on the delete icon, the model pop-up has the record has to be deleted. Once we click on the edit button, first we need to get the model pop-up with the pre-populated details of this product, and then we have to click on the save. So it has to perform the update operation or edit operation. So if I open this like this, so the details has to pre-populate and the title has to change as edit product. Okay, so let's go to the UI product form. So first I'm going to receive a prop called as the selected product. Okay, selected product, done. Okay, so now where is the form? Yeah, this is the form ref, right? So I'm going to write the use effect. If selected product is there. So if selected product is there, form ref dot current dot set field value. So we are going to set the field value, that means initial values as selected product. Okay, done. And coming to the title of the product. So right now we are having the tabs directly, so we don't need this. So just have one, put it in a div. Okay, and at the top write text excel dot text primary title. If selected product is there, then it is called as the edit product, else it is add product. So let's go to the index here. Okay, so create a use state hook for the selecting a product. Const selected product set selected product, initially null. So the moment we click on the edit button, we are going to set the selected product as this record, and we will open the model. On click, set selected product record, set show product form true. So everything has to pre-populate now. So I am going to click on the iPhone 12. Nothing got pre-populated, so we just need to adjust the things. Go to the product form. Oh, I got the issue. So first of all, this is not text excel component, this is h1 component. Okay, h1 text excel text center font semi bold. Okay, text center, font semi bold, edit, yes, add product or edit product. Let's make this capitalize, uppercase, and also make this 2 XL. Yeah, add product. So actually we clicked on the edit, but still we are getting the add product. The details are also not getting populated. That means we are not getting the selected value. Okay, so just go to the index and pass the selected product to the products form. Done. And also whenever you make any changes, you just need to reload the data. That means you need to call the get data. Okay, so here if response.success, before closing the thing, call the get data method. Okay, get data, which is nothing but the reload data. Done. Now let's click on the edit. This time I should get the values. Awesome. So here you can see all the details got populated, and here also if I click on this, the details got populated. But the thing is, checkboxes are not getting populated as expected. You can see if I click on this, I'm not getting the pre-populated values. But if I go to the MongoDB, refresh, so I have all the except box available, remaining everything are true. You can see bill available, warranty available, accessories, box, all these things. Okay, now it has to be checked automatically. So go to the product form whenever the value is there. So yeah, so form item, right? So for this form item we don't know, because this is the type checkbox, we don't know what property we need to consider as the actual value. Okay, so here you need to pass a prop, value prop name is equal to checked. Okay, this one. So based on this we need to populate value prop name is equal to checked. Now let's see, the details got populated as expected. So if the type is normal text or input, we know we don't need this prop, because it will directly take the what I can say value prop. But this is the type checkbox. Here checked is the required thing. So for this only we are passing the value. Okay, that is the reason you just need to pass value prop name is equal to checked. Even if I go to this, only one got populated as expected. Okay, now we need to have the API for edit. So very simple API, products route. So we will get the ID from the front end and the new payload, edit product, edit a product. So slash edit product slash product ID. So I'm going to call a simple method, try catch. Okay, so obviously in the catch block just send the response as the error. Now await product dot find by ID and update. That's all. So ID we are getting in the query strings, which is nothing but the params. So request dot params in the ID, and the data we are updating is request body. So if everything goes fine, response dot send success true, product updated successfully. That's all. Now go to the products in the front end, write the API call object, function. So you have to send the ID as well as the payload. So ID should be sent in the query strings here, slash API slash products slash edit product slash ID. Payload will be obviously there, and the function will be put here, HTTP method, and make sure you have the put. So products put, you can also use the put, but let's use the put. Go to the products form, now there has to be some change in the on finish. So first we need to know what action we are performing, whether it is add or edit. Okay, so based on that we have to be careful while doing the modifications, because this status has to be pending only if the operation is add, because after adding the admin might approve the status. So if you put this status here, every time it will go to the pending state. So this is not what we want. Okay, so first we need to know if selected product is there, you have to call the edit operation. So for that, what I'm going to do means I will take this const response, I'll put this outside, let response is equal to null initially. So if selected product is already there, just call await edit product, call the selected product dot id as the first parameter, which is nothing but the product id, values as the second parameter. Else we need await product values, and we need these two things, values dot seller, values dot status, only in the add scenario, not in the edit scenario, because these things won't change while edit. These has to be common. Even though the status might change, this has to be changed from the admin side, not from the user side. So user side always while adding the status should be pending, and it cannot be changed by the user. Done. So you need not to worry about the message also, because message we are sending it from the backend, so obviously the backend will take care of that. I think we are good. Let's test. Refresh. Yeah, so now I'm going to change the description. Even this save button also, if you want to change based on the functionality, you can do, else save will be common for both add and edit. Okay, so an Apple product, so instead of Apple product I'm going to make this as an Apple mobile product. Done. Click on save. Product updated successfully, an Apple mobile product, data also got updated. So after posting the product ad, if I don't get any messages from the buyers, I may decrease the price. So instead of 1500, I'm going to make this as 1300. Updated successfully. The data is also getting updated. So now if I click on the ad, we will get an error. Here you can see, even though we are clicking on the ad, the data is getting pre-populated, because previously we did the edit operation and we did not clear the data about that edit. So whenever you click on the ad, you have to clear the existing data. So go to the index.js here. This is the add button, right? Okay. Paste it here, and before opening the model, make sure you have the set selected product null. Okay. So go back, edit, open, add, cleared. So everything is getting as expected. Edit, add. So let's go to the edit for the second product, and I'll make all these things available and save. Everything is getting as expected. Refresh the page. Awesome. So that's all guys, this is about the edit operation. In the next lecture we will complete the delete. Thank you. Welcome back guys. In this lecture we are going to complete the delete operation, so we can wrap up this product module except the images. Okay, so we already have the delete button. We just need to send the product ID to the backend and it has to be deleted. Okay, so first come from the back, delete a product, delete product. Yeah, so here await product dot find by id and delete. Obviously we will get the id here, so request dot params dot id, and if everything goes fine we will send the success message, product deleted successfully, else we will throw the error. Done. Come to the front end, write the API call. Okay, delete product. So Axios instance dot delete, so /API/product/delete product id, So in the request params you have to send the ID. Done. Come to the table, write the function const delete product. Okay, so we'll get the ID, try, dispatch set loader, delete product, set loader false. If response success, message success, reload the data, else show the error message, close it out, come to the catch block, hide the loader, show the error message. Done. Now you need to call this function when we click on the delete button. So actually our columns are above the delete function, so let's make this at the top. Now you can access that. Okay, you just need to pass the record.id on click, delete product, close it. So record._id. Done. Now let's go to the delete function and import the delete product. Perfect. Let's refresh. So I don't want to delete these existing because these are looking good. So let me add some product using the form filler. So I got some dummy product. I'm clicking on the save. Cannot read properties of null success. Something looking strange here. What is that? Product is not added. Network, add product, product added successfully, success true. Then why it is not reloaded? Go to the product form, let response, this is edit product, this is add product. Oh, for add product we have not assigned the response. Sorry. Yeah, that's the issue. So let me close this out. I think the product is added, but we didn't got the response properly. That's all. Yeah, here you can see. I'll add one more product to remove the confusion. Save. Done. Added. So here we can do one more thing. This list has to be sorted based on the uploaded date. Okay. So go to the products route. Products route. Get products. Products.find. Sort of created at -1. Refresh. Done. And also it's better to include the date. Added on, created it, render cell, render. I am going to use the moment of record.created it. Let me use one format, that is DDMMYYYY HHMMSA. So why it is not closing? Unexpected token. We need the return first. Control S, where we are missing something. You can delete these also because we are not returning more than one line. Yes. Moment is not defined. Let's import this. Why this model? We don't require. Import moment from moment. That's all. Done. Yes. So this is the latest product. So 7:12 p.m. Okay. I don't need seconds, so I'll remove that. It will be confusion. Yeah. Okay. 7:12 p.m. Done. So I am going to click on the delete button. done, deleted. This is also I'm going to delete, deleted. So all our CRUD operations are done for the product. So we need to include one module, that is the important thing, images. So in the next section we are going to start the images module. Okay, thank you. Welcome back, guys. In this section we are going to work on one of the important as well as the difficult module in this project, that is handling the images with the multiple payload concept, which is nothing but multiple images. Okay, so we already know how our product description page looks. So it is getting beauty because of the images sliding only. So we can switch between the multiple images, and that is one of the important feature in our application. So mostly in lot of the applications, whether it is e-commerce or any reseller application or this refurbished goods selling application, anything, the instructors or whoever, the developers will put only one image. So it will be it won't look professional, so and also the complex. So we are going to avoid that. So we'll have the complete flexibility regarding the images to the customer. So my deployed version is still loading, so let me go to the edit product. So we will handle the images for this iPhone 12 product. Okay, so this is the edit. So first thing we have to do is images tab has to be enabled only in the edit operation, not in the add operation, because once we get the product ID, then only you have to add the images. Okay, yeah, so this is what we are going to achieve. So I am going to upload 3 images for the iPhone 12 product. First, let me go to the product form, go to the tabs. This is the tabs. Okay, this tab has to be disabled if not selected product. Disabled is equal to not of selected product. Okay, for adding a product, general tab is enough. Yes, so we cannot click on that. Done. Now what is there? Okay, click on the edit. So once we click on the images, so right now we are having the code of the images in this file only, but I want to separate that. So I'll just keep it as the images, images.js, images.js, rfce images, and we need selected product as well as a get data function as well as set selected product, obviously. Set selected product and set show product form. Done. Yeah, now go to the product form, come here, remove these text images and put the images tab itself separately. Selected product, get data is okay. What else we are expecting here? Let's close these out. Set show product form, set selected product. Of course, set selected product is not having here. Let's do that later. Set show product form is required to close the model. Okay, set show product form, that's all. Done. Let's see. Yes, still the same. Now forget about the existing image previews. First we need to work on the upload. So once we upload, we will get the URLs, then we can show the previews of the existing images. So let's concentrate only on the upload. Okay, not on the preview. We will do everything. So don't worry about SAR is missing that, instructor is missing that. So we will have everything. If I go to the edit, if I click on the iPhone 12 images, so these are the existing, and also we will have the delete button, delete for the existing. So you need not to worry about that. The only thing we have to worry is getting the images to Cloudinary and storing it as the URLs in the MongoDB. for the product. So that is the complex thing. Once we have the URLs, deleting the images, showing the previews is not at all a complex thing. That's a cakewalk for us. So the only complex thing is uploading. So that's we will focus first. Okay. Yeah, go to the images. So first we need the upload component from the entity. Okay, upload from the entity. Okay, let's see what we are getting. Where is this? I'm getting nothing. Refresh. Sorry, not add product, edit product. There is nothing here. Oh, maybe we need to have the button. Yeah, button from the entity, upload image. Okay, type is equal to default, or else give type is equal to dashed. It will look good. Let's import the button also. Okay, done. Yes, now you got the upload image. Okay, so when I upload any image now, let's see what happens. So these are all the videos. Downloads. So I have some DALI image. So here you can see I'm getting some error. So doc type HTML and all this stuff. Okay, so let's delete this and write for the upload we have properties, list type is equal to picture. Okay, and then we have a property called as the before upload is equal to false. Okay, now let's upload any image. This time we should not get any errors. Yes, so here you can see we are getting the preview properly and we are having the image name also. So once you get the preview, you can have the upload button. So you can get rid of the cancel and footer here. So once you are in the images tab, so go to the products form, footer. Okay, footer is equal to null only if we are in the images tab. So let me write a query const selected tab, set selected tab, initially 1. So whenever we change it, I'm going to update that state. Active key selected tab, on change set selected tab is equal to null, sorry, the changed value. Now come to the model. So whenever we are in the images tab, that means if selected tab is equal to 2, if selected tab is equal to 2, it's null, else it's a true. It's a true. Now let's see. So still we are not getting this. Why we are not getting? Okay, let's do if selected tab equal to 2, then it's null. It's null. Okay, still we are losing that in the general tab also. Get rid of that. Yeah, So I will choose the complete footer prop itself as the conditional prop. So what I am going to do means, yeah, dot dot dot. So in the parentheses, just write condition if selected tab equal to 2, then only you have to hide the footer. Okay, so just get rid of these conditions. The only condition we have is footer is equal to false or else null. Just get rid of this. Yeah, so if selected tab is equal to 2, footer is equal to false, remaining these prop will not even execute. So obviously it will be there. Yes, so in the general we have, in the images we don't have. So our first scenario is passed, so we don't have here. Okay. Now coming to the images, so we have the button, so we are getting the previews. So go to the images. Okay, so let's upload. We are getting the image. So once you got the preview, you have to add the upload button. Okay, const file set file, initially null. Okay, so here I'm just writing on change info, so set file is equal to info.file, done. Okay, we have this. So once file is there, that means dot flex dot justify end. Okay, so once file is there, you have to show the button upload. So this is cancel, actually cancel, and then you have one more button, type primary. This has to be on click is equal to upload. Okay, close these out. Oh sorry, yeah, gap 5. This is dashed or default. Yeah, so here I have const upload is equal to some function, so I am just printing it in the console.log file. Once whatever you have, what is this, change, yeah, okay, this is good. iPhone 12 images. Okay, text is not there yet. The text should be upload, and this has to be disabled, if not file. Okay, if not file, yeah. So we just have the upload image button now. Just upload this image. So we got the image, we need some padding, sorry, flex mt5 done. Now you got the upload button. So when you click on this, we will get the file in the console. You can see you got the file in the console. So this file you have to send it as the form data to the backend. Okay, so what I am going to do means, let me, why the cancel is not working, set show product form false. Here also set show product form. Are we passing this? Yeah, we are not passing that. Set show product form, set show product form. Oh, we have the prop but we didn't passing the value. Done. Yes, edit, go to images, cancel. Yeah, it's working. Now we need the API call to handle this image. Okay, so go to the images. So what I want to do means try catch So in the catch block, I'm just writing it here, message error, message.error, error message, and we need the dispatch also. Const dispatch is equal to use dispatch, and then we have set loader, dispatch set loader false. Okay, set loader false, and then dispatch set loader true. So then here the upload image logic will come. So we will have two parts in the upload image. First, upload it to Cloudinary. Okay, I think we can handle this in the backend itself. Just upload, that's all. Okay, so once we get the backend logic, we will include the upload logic here. Okay, upload image to Cloudinary and get the URL. I think we can get the URL in the backend and store it. That's not required. That's all. This is the thing. So I hope you got it. So in the next lecture, we will start the backend for this. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. In this lecture, we are going to work on the crucial part of the image upload, that is dealing with the Cloudinary and Multer. Okay, so first let me tell you what is the use case of both. Cloudinary is used to store our images, that means it's a storage thing, and Multer is used to access the images from our internal system. That means in the backend we cannot access the system directly, our computer. So Cloudinary will help you to access that. So from the front end we will send only the file. So with the help of that file object, it will pick the image from the system and it will send it to the Cloudinary. So we need both. Okay, so first terminate the job in the backend here and npm install Multer and Cloudinary. So if you are already installed, no problem, it will update. So if you don't have the account in the Cloudinary, please create it. So let me go to the my Cloudinary account. So this is the lecture we are going to end up with. This lecture and next lecture we are going to end up with lot of errors. Yeah, so this is the Cloudinary official website. I already have my accounts. I'm just clicking on the login. Why it is showing? PR123 ... Yes, it got logged in. Okay. So once you logged into the application, you need 3 keys: cloud name, API key, secret key. So without these 3, we can't do anything. That means we cannot access this Cloudinary from our Node.js. Okay. Yeah, so we found the we got the Cloudinary, and now in the .env I'm going to write cloud name, cloud API key is equal to something, cloud API secret. Okay, so these values has to be dynamic. So you have to copy these values from here. So Satya115 is my cloud name, API is this, API secret is this. So I'll pause this video here and I'll paste the values. Okay. Yeah, done, guys. So I have pasted my values. Now I'll go to the server. Let me close this, close the client folder. Yeah, so here in this server folder I'm going to create a new file called as the, so already we have the config, right? So Cloudinary config.js. okay, so we have this Cloudinary config.js. now we need the connection code. So where we have that connection code? more info. This is delivery thing, dashboard, transformation, reports, add-ons. There should be some documentation somewhere. Account, media library, add-ons, I think this is the thing, getting started. Yeah, so here go to the Node.js. First get the Cloudinary, put it here, and then copy the configuration, get it here. Okay, done. So cloud name will be process dot env dot cloud name. Okay, then API key, process dot env dot cloud API key, then I have process dot env dot cloud API secret. Yeah, cloud API secret. So make sure you use the valid variable names. Done. So I think this is enough. You just need to export the Cloudinary again. Module.exports is equal to Cloudinary. Okay, so we are done with the Cloudinary. Now go to the where it is, server, create a new file, or else create new is not required. Go to the products route only. Okay, yeah, so here I am going to enter, I am writing the logic. First we need both Multer as well as the Cloudinary here. Okay, Cloudinary JS config. Okay, Cloudinary JS config, we got it. And then const Multer is equal to require Multer. So from the front end, what we are going to get? So we are going to get a file, that's all, and also the product ID, because we have to insert that URL into the product ID images array once the image upload is successful. Okay. So handle image upload to Cloudinary. This is the code. So first we need the storage object. As I said, Multer is able to get the storage from our from our system. So Multer dot disk storage, this is the method, and then you have file name. Okay, so this file name, callback of, so this is the configuration code, so exactly you have to write as per the Multer documentation. So file name, request file, and callback. So it is going to create the callback with the file. Done. Okay, storage. Now you have to call the storage dot upload method. So here I am just writing const image filter is not required. So now what I am going to do means what I can say, router dot post slash upload image, upload image to product, yeah. So I got the snippet, I'll explain. Yes, so auth middleware is common, guys. Okay, so this is the route and this is the auth middleware. So what we will do basically, so basically we will go to the try catch block once we pass this auth middleware, but here we have to get the image URL, because in the try catch block we will handle the logic to pass the image URL to the images array for the product. But before that we have to get the image URL in this request.body.image URL. Okay, so this is the file multer.single. Okay, so storage we are passing and file is equal to this is the property name that we have to pass, single. Now you have to handle that. Okay, so I'll get into the try catch block. So yeah, so from here we could able to access the file into our system from our system. So now I'm going to write, yeah, I already got the snippet, but let me handle it. So first in this try catch block you have to get the URL. So to get the URL, first you need to contact the Cloudinary. Const result is equal to await cloudinary.uploader.upload method. So this is the thing, and then you have to pass it request.file.path. Okay, so in the front end you have to get the same thing. So always just send the image in the file variable. Okay, then only it will work. So here also file, here also file, and here also file. So don't use other name. If you use other name, here also use the same name. So once again I'm explaining, multer is handling the image from our system to Cloudinary. Okay, once we get the Cloudinary image URL, we will handle it in our code base to get it into the MongoDB. So from this code, multer can get the image from our system, and here we are sending that image to the Cloudinary, and from this result we can get the URL. Okay, so this get image from PC. Okay, and upload image to Cloudinary. So in this result you are going to get the response from the Cloudinary. Okay, now I'm going to write const product ID is equal to request.body.product ID, and then await product ID dot find by ID and update. So we will push this request.image URL to the images array. It's not image URL, it's actually secure URL. Okay, push images with the result.secure URL. So in the Cloudinary response object there will be a property called as the secure URL. So that property is nothing but the image URL from the Cloudinary. Then you can send the response. This is the code, guys. I know it is complex, I understand, but this is the best way to do. Get the access to the PC using the multer, and then once you got the access, just send it to the Cloudinary. So this function is only for getting the PC data, that's all. So without this it's too difficult to get that, and yeah, that's all. Okay, remaining we can test in the next lecture. So we got the front end ready, we got the back end ready. So we'll integrate this API to the front end in the next lecture, and we'll see. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. In this lecture we are going to work on the integration part of the images. Okay, so first go to the front end, client, src, app.j API calls, products, upload image. So at a time we can only upload one image, so in future we will handle multiple. So upload product image, yes. Okay, let's send the payload as it is what we are getting from the component. So in this payload the two things those are mandatory are file and product ID. Okay, now go to the images. So here we need to handle that. So I'm just writing const form data. So you have to send it using the form data only. So normal payload will not work in this format. Okay, so whenever you want to access image upload or any file upload things, use only form data. Now for this form data you have to append file as well as product ID. Form data dot append product ID, which is nothing but selected product ID, and then const response is equal to await upload product image. Okay, done. Form data, and this has to be async. Yeah, so we'll handle the remaining scenarios later. That means closing the model pop-up, showing the preview, hiding the preview, all those stuff. So first we need to make the things working. Message.success response message, else error message. Okay, don't close the model pop-up, keep it as it is. Okay, done. So hope everything should work fine, but we are still left with few scenarios in the backend. Okay, if you come to the cloudinary.uploader.upload, we need the second object as the where we have to upload, because in the Cloudinary we may have lot of folders. If I go here, dashboard, media library, so I have lot of folders here. So I have to get only one specific folder to be uploaded. So I am going to write a new folder with our project title. Folder is equal to shemp. Okay, done. So let's hope for the best and upload. Refresh. I know we'll get lot of errors, so why it is getting magic? Let me inspect something going wrong. Delete the token. Refresh. Yeah, my front end server has some issue. Let's reload. Done. Oh, we did not even restarted the server yet. npx nodemon server/server. Okay, so once it is ready, I will log in. Done. So let's log in from what? Who is the one uploaded user ID? Arjun 123 123 4 5 6 7 8. Arjun. iPhone 12 edit images. So I'll upload this dummy image first. Yeah, this DALI image. Okay, let's close this out and click on the upload button. So nothing, we got nothing. 404, the endpoint itself is wrong. So file is going, product ID is going. Okay, /API/upload product image. This is the route post method. What we have in the product, upload image to product. Yeah, upload image to product. Copy. API calls, upload image to product. Okay, done. So we need to refresh. Edit images, upload image, get this done, upload. Loading. So upload image to product is pending. I don't know from where it is. Are we sending any response from the backend? Yes, we are. Image uploaded successfully. Oh, from the catch block we are not sending anything. That is the reason we are not getting anything. Yeah, this is the issue. I think we are into some errors. That is the reason it is not getting. So let me go to the catch block and send the error first. Yeah. Okay. So the music has started. We are getting end up with the errors. Let's iPhone 12 images, upload image, DALI, upload. Cloudinary is not defined. Okay, this is Cloudinary JS config, or else just keep it Cloudinary, nothing wrong. Okay. So Cloudinary. Yes. Now let's see. Cannot read property uploader of undefined. Why it is undefined? Oh, this has to be directly exported. Const cloudinary is equal to, okay. Come on. Yes, image uploaded successfully. Let's see the response. Upload product image. Why it is called these many times? Okay, this was previous. So you can see we got the result and we got the secure URL. Why this? Let's go to the products and check. Okay, cancel it. Images, sorry, products. Go to iPhone 12, images. Awesome. So here you can see you got the product. If I put this here, I have to get the DALI. Perfect. Yes, so we got our image. Okay, now let's upload another image. Let's upload another image, this cat image. I think these are having some huge size, that is the reason it's taking some time. Let's delete. Okay, now we need to handle the preview scenarios. So let's close these out. Images. So the product is having the images, but we are not showing anything. So we need to show the previews once it got uploaded. Go to the images. Above this upload image, first we need to have if selected product dot images dot length greater than 0, or else do one thing. Go to the const images set images, then initially it will be selected product dot images. Okay, selected product dot images. Now what I am going to do means I loop through the images array, images dot map. For every iteration I am going to render a div. So return a div, so it will have first the image obviously, img. Okay, so let me have some class name h20 w20 object over, and this div has to be a flex gap 2, and this has to be image. Okay, and I'm going to have border solid, and then border gray 300. Okay, again these things has to be in the flex because we may have multiple images. Flex get gap 5 and make this rounded. Okay, let's see the output. Yes, you got the images. Okay, now have some padding inside it. Yes, you got the images, and let's have some padding bottom, MB5. Okay, now you have the easy observation. Let's have this border gray 500. Yes, these are the images. So here at the bottom, or else here I'm going to have some delete button. Okay, so you already have the delete button here. Just copy that copy the delete button, put it in the images, right to the image. Forget about the on click action, later we will do. Yes. Okay, this has to be items end. Items end. Done. And we don't need padding 5. Let's use padding 2 or 3. Yeah, this is enough. So once you click on the delete, we'll handle the delete. That's later. Now the thing is, if we upload any new image, that has to be uploaded and it has to be appended to the images array. Okay, that means okay, so let's go to the products route. Where is upload image? Yeah, so in the response you just need to return result.secure URL in the upload image URL, upload image endpoint. So in the image I am going to write response.success set images and response.data, that means the new image, and also preview. So for the upload component there will be a prop called as the preview. Okay, yeah, preview file. So this has to be what I can say, true only before getting the response. Okay, once you get any new response it has to be false. Okay, so first let's see what if I make the preview false. If I make the preview false, I'll get the nothing, it's getting crashed. Preview file is not a function. What is this? I think it's not preview file, it's show upload list. Okay, show upload list. Yeah, initially let's make this as false. Let's see. Now go to the edit images, upload image, upload this. Yeah, so there is no preview. So the preview has to be hidden only after getting the API call response as success. Okay, so now first initially I am going to make this show preview set show preview true. Initially it should be true. Okay, and then come here, upload, show upload list should be show preview. So on changing the file it has to be show preview true, set show preview true, set show preview true, and after getting the API response as success you have to make set show preview false. Done. So this is the proper UX. Now let's upload one image, refresh one page, go there, images, upload an image. Okay, so yeah, I'll use this cinema image. So I am getting the preview here. So once I upload and after getting the response, this has to be hidden. And also I'm going to make few more changes. Yeah, first let's do this. Upload. Awesome. Here you can see it got created here and the preview has also gone. And even this upload button also disabled. That means you have to make the set file null. Once you do that, set file null. Okay, let's upload one more image. Why it is still enable? Okay, we didn't make the set file null before, right? So I'll choose yeah, there is some small image here. Where is it? Yes, there is some small token. Oh, this is, yeah, JPG. Okay, delete this first one. Yeah, so this one is there. Show upload list. Oh, can't read property of path. There is some issue with that image. Let's do that. Okay, image, let's upload anyone. Yeah, here I got the image. So after uploading, this has to be disabled, this has to be added here, and this has to be hidden. Upload. Done. So everything is working as expected. Image uploaded successfully. So even if you go to the edit button again, images, I got the 4 images. That's all, guys. Our image module is also done. So if you have any doubts, ask now itself, because this Cloudinary concept is very confusing, even the Multer also. So let's clarify now itself. Thank you.